Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the monthly analysis for Bitcoin and the third month of 2014. This is March. February is over. The nightmare is almost done. Obviously, some of you are still affected by MGOGs. However, market continue, gives you opportunities, and we might take advantage of those opportunities on a daily basis. You're watching TradingView, Bitstamp monthly chart. This is the February chart candlestick. Not very nice. We managed to visit 400. Price was very weak. We see new potential uptrends coming along on the daily chart and also intraday. Now, what can happen during this new month is we might see a new uptrend trying to create, obviously, trying to push the price towards the maximum highs of this particular candlestick, which are located in 815. Now, in terms of intraday wise, we need to tell you there's actually 6 weeks on a correction that it pushed the price and sellers have full control of the situation. This new month with a new almost double bottom tail on the major support is allowing us to predict potential uptrends based on what's happening right now intraday. So what we see and what we potentially can happen is several things. This particular correction needs an uptrend to build a new lower high. That lower high can have two situations in place. The first situation could be a new lower high can be created regardless of the overextended trend. If that lower high gets active by the price itself, it might push the price towards below 400 and it will try to push the price towards the SMA 200, which is located at 130. That's something that we have to take into consideration because it's possible. Now, the other option is this potential lower high might fail because of the overextended trend and it might start consolidating, or in the last case scenario, the uptrend push the price towards even obviously 909. That's something that we might see during the course of this new month. So several situations can happen. It all depends of the market makers and obviously the volume involved on a daily basis. But this is another thing that we see on the 3-day chart. Look what's happening now. We see consolidations, we see new supports, we might see new uptrends towards higher levels, but obviously it's too soon to tell. There's one more thing that we might take into consideration at this point, and look at this. Last week, this is the daily chart, price above the SMA 200, and last week we explained to you guys that 646 was a very interesting target for the price to reach, and if that will happen, obviously we deny a lower high on the daily chart, which is a very positive sign. It didn't happen. Instead, the price was trying to build a new lower high, but instead we saw a consolidation and is almost actually canceling this particular pivot with this new uptrend today in 10. So we might see a new potential visit to this area, and if that happens right now, 646 once again could be the target, just to start sending signs or signals in order to change the behavior of the market. It's a new month with a lot of good things happening for the market as well. New startups start coming, offering services as exchanges and stuff like that. We've been following several companies that right now we believe that it might bring new uptrends for the market and obviously new excellent news in that sense. So we might take advantage of the situation. Simple as that. Once again, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. Goodbye.